command should be blocked by Firewall for several security reasons, such as ICMP flood attack, ICMP tunneling, ping of death, and reconnaissance attack. Besides all these non-security reasons, ICMP could be used for smuggling data, which I'll show you in this video. If you are a security engineer or network administrator and watching this video, make sure you have blocked ICMP traffic in your network firewall. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only. Smuggling is illegal and unethical without proper authorization. Understanding these phases help us raise awareness about cybersecurity and reinforces the need for strong defenses. Ping command is primarily used to check the connectivity and latency between two network devices. It sends ICMP Internet Control Message Protocol echo request to the target IP address and measure the round-trip time for the message to reach the destination and return. Depending on the operating system, the size of the generated ICMP message will be different. In Linux and macOS, the ping command is 64 bytes long and by default sends a continuous message until it is asked to stop. In Windows, the ping command sends only 4 messages, each 32 bytes long. Let's check the ICMP message details in Wireshark. Start Wireshark, select Interface, filter for ICMP protocol. In the terminal, run the ping command to ping Google 8.8.8.8 and set the counter to 4. This will send only 4 messages. In the terminal, we see the length of the packet is 64 bytes, but in Wireshark it shows 98 bytes. Why? Let's figure out. The default packet size in Linux and macOS is 56 bytes plus 8 bytes of ICMP header, 20 bytes of IP header, and 14 bytes of Ethernet frame header. It becomes 98 bytes length, as you see in the Wireshark. In Linux and macOS, ICMP packets have 48 bytes of data by default. In Windows, 32 bytes. The data is randomly generated by the operating system. ICMP packet is not designed to send data, but you can take advantage of the message field within the ICMP packet. The hack is that you can smuggle data in an ICMP packet. It can't be detected by firewalls or other protection systems. The only way to protect against this hack is to block ICMP traffic. The method depends on the operating system you are using. The approach I am showing is working in Linux and macOS. Use help to find the right syntax in your operating system. Ping-help, and you can see -p is used for pattern, -s size of the packet, and -c for counter in my operating system. You can find a similar syntax in your selected operating system. We cannot pass the plain text as a pattern, so we need to convert the text into the hexadecimal in order to capture it in the data field of ICMP packet. In the command line, I use ping-p and then send a pattern and use inline hexadecimal converter, and then I send this data with my ping packet. It creates a hexadecimal pattern and send it via ICMP packet. In Wireshark, we can see the data. We can define the size of data, but if the size is more than 1500 bytes, the packet will be fragmented. The data in a packet transfer in a clear text and is vulnerable for interception. You can write a script to transfer a text file in a ping packet. This method should not be used for transferring data, but we show how adversary can take advantage of data filled in ICMP packet and remain undetected. Please block ICMP traffic on your firewall for your own sake.